Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Cuddy dropping a new video for you guys here today. And in today's video, man, I'm gonna be working on my Toyota Camry 1994. You guys already know I'm trying to rebuild my Toyota Camry, trying to make it look unique. And so far, man, you guys know I already worked on my stereo. I fixed my sunroof, and the last thing I did is actually worked on my sunroof cover. I kind of vinyl sprayed it, and I got and I kind of turned it into a black and red, and it looks really nice right now, as you guys can see. This is just a little pic just to show you guys how it looks. If you guys want to see more of that video, go ahead and watch it, so you guys know how I did it and how I get to this point. But in today's videos, guys, I'm gonna be working on my door panel. So what I'm gonna be doing is actually see if I can take my door panel out of the door, and then I'm gonna take them home and see if I can vinyl spray them also the same way I did with my roof cover. So that's what I'm gonna be working on today. And while I'm doing that, I'm also going to put some cooler heater insulation inside of the door, and I'm going to also go ahead and put noise cancellation also. So what it's going to do is going to eliminate any noise coming from the outside, so I can be driving really smooth with no noise inside of the car while I drive. So I'm very excited about doing this update on my Toyota Camry. I can't wait to see if it's going to work, so stay tuned. And yeah, let's get started with this door panels. Alright guys, so here goes the last door. I'm going to step away right now. I got all 4 doors out. Now this is my front door, my back door, and it looks really weird right now that I have to drive like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this bad boy inside of the house. I'm gonna clean them up before I spray paint them, and before I spray paint them, I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna go ahead and put the cooler heater insulation, and I'm also going to put the noise cancellation first before I spray paint. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I am back, and today, man, we're going to go ahead and put the cooler heater insulation inside of the door, and I'm also going to go ahead and put my noise cancellation also inside of the door. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to go ahead and get this paper off the door, and once I do, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can actually clean this up before I put the cooler heater insulation in, because it's very dusty, it's dirty. And I don't know if you guys see my previous video, I did the same thing on my roof. I put the cooler insulation in there, and it's really nice because my roof doesn't get heated anymore, or it doesn't get too cold. So it kind of like observe the heat and also observe the cold, so I won't get too hot or cold inside of the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for my door panel. Hopefully that will work as well. But also I'm gonna add the noise cancellation also to eliminate any noise coming from the outside. So I'm very excited about this before I spray paint. So this is what I'm going to be doing first. So let me go ahead and show you guys my cooler heater insulation. I have it right here. This is what I'm going to be using for all 4 doors. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and put my my noise cancellation inside of the door as well. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. This is my first time actually doing this. So again, I'm not really used to this. So hopefully I can get this done. I got my cutter right here, and also I got my cooler heater insulation over here. So again, how I'm gonna clean this up, I'm gonna be using a towel with alcohol. So I got my towel and my alcohol right here, and all I'm gonna do is go ahead and clean this up with alcohol. Again, it was very dusty. So once I'm done with that, I can go ahead and start up with this put in my cooler heater insulation. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. I'm not gonna waste too much time talking. I got a lot of shit to do. So let's go, let's do this. Alright guys, all done. Take a look at this. It looks really good. Again, I am not a professional. I know a lot of professionals can do this better than me, but I was able to cover every angles and everywhere that I needed to get the heater cooler insulation in. So right now it looks good, and I can't wait to go ahead and put the noise cancellation next. So let's go. Alright guys, so now that I'm done putting the cooler heater insulation inside of the door, now the next thing I'm going to do here is go ahead and grab my noise cancellation insulation. So I got it right here. This one, I heard about it a lot. I heard good reviews about it. It does cancel noise. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my car and see if it's actually gonna work. So again, it's very easy. All we gotta do is just go ahead and do it the same way we did with the heater cooler insulation, and we just got to do the same way. I have my cutter also, so I can cut it just to measure it, make sure that it fits perfectly. So let's go ahead and finish this, and after that I will give you a little test so you guys can hear the difference from with this door compared to the door that doesn't have the cooler heater insulation or the noise cancellation. So let's go ahead and get started with this. done here. Take a look at my result. It looked pretty okay for a beginner. I'm not the best, of course. Professional can do better, like I always say, but for a rookie, man, I did really good. So hopefully this really helps eliminate any noise coming from the outside, because that's one of the main reasons why I put the noise cancellation inside of the door. So I'm very, very excited now. So now we're going to go ahead and finish up with everything else and see what we got here. Again, I did say that I was going to show you guys the difference with this door compared to the other doors. So I'm gonna step to the door and I can show you the sound of it right now. Listen to this one. Listen to this. Listen to this again. Yeah, and listen to that one. Big difference. This right here is my driver door. I already put the heater cooler insulation inside, and as you guys can see, it looks good. It looks okay for the beginner, and I did miss some areas, but it's fine as long as I got most of the doors covered. So now all I gotta go ahead and do is go ahead and put the noise cancellation, and I'm done here. And here is my noise cancellation. I gotta go ahead and put it in, and after that I'll catch you and show you the result. Alright guys, so I did put the noise cancellation inside, and again, it looks good, it looks decent. Hopefully this will definitely cancel noises. So let's go ahead and give it a test. This pretty solid. Let's go. You hear that? Alright guys, so this is it with this video. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with the doors, go ahead and put the noise cancellation in, and we're done. And I'm gonna see you guys at the house. We're gonna vinyl spray paint the door panels. Do not miss that video, it's gonna be a really nice one. And subscribe to my channel guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.